Now all of you see here plane progressive view. What is the meaning of plane progressive view? So see here, just in the previous class I have explained you about the waves, that there are two kinds of waves. Now see here, suppose this is a row whose one index. First to see what is the difference between a view pulse and plane progressive wave. So here this is a row whose one index time with the rigid support here. When you view a jerk here, if you snap once here, एक बार अगर यहाँ पर स्नैप करें, मतलब केवल एक बार हम ऐसे करें, what will happen? A pulse will produce which will move forward in this direction. It's clear? A pulse will produce which will move forward. After passing from here, what will happen? After passing from here, this part of the rope will become straight, and suppose the pulse is present here, so now this particle will be displaced by this much distance. It's clear? So this is a single pulse. But if you keep on snapping here, if you keep on snapping in a regular manner, what will happen? At this point, pulses will produce one after the other. And when pulses will produce one after the other, what will happen? All the particles of the rope, here medium is rope, all the particles of the rope will be in the state of vibration. And when they will be in the state of vibration, we will say that the wave has set up here. It's clear? When all the particles are in the state of the oscillation or in the state of the vibration. But here, when you are snapping only once, when you are waving only once, what will happen? Only one pulse will create. After passing from here, this particle will come to the rest, and the pulse will displace to the next particle. It's clear? So here it is only a single pulse, but when pulses are produced one after the other, or we can say a wave train. It's clear? Pulses are produced one after the other, then that is called the wave, traveling of a wave in a medium. When the wave travels in any medium, what will happen? All the particles of the medium will be in the state of oscillation, will be in the state of vibration. Similarly, on the water surface, if you see, on the water surface, suppose this is the pond and this is the water surface, and this is the water surface here. If you disturb the particles present here only once, what will happen? Ripple will produce, it will move forward, and when it will move forward, when the ripple is here, what will happen? The particles which were present here, they will be at the mean position. It's clear? Means here only a pulse has created, there is no wave. But if you keep on disturbing in a regular manner, if you keep on imparting the energy in a regular manner, what will happen? Ripples will produce one after the other, and this whole water surface will be in the state of oscillation. Particles of whole water surface will be in the state of oscillation, and we will say that then wave has set up. Now we will see the displacement equation. Displacement equation का meaning क्या है? That what is the displacement of a particular particle at any instant, at time t? What is the displacement of a particular particle at any instant? Suppose here this is a rope of length L. Its one unit time here. Its length is L. This particle I have named as x equals to 0. The particle which is present here is x equals to capital L. When you do the snapping here, what will happen? Suppose the particle which is present here has displaced by how much distance? Distance a. The particle which is present here had displaced by this distance. Let this wave is traveling, this pulse is traveling, this wave is traveling with a speed v. So here if you see, here I will snap here at time t equals to 0. इस पार्टिकल में स्नैपिंग कब किया है? At time t equals to 0. What is the displacement of this particle at time t equals to 0? How will you write? X equals to 0 at time t equals to 0. Means the displacement of the particle situated at this position at time t equals to 0, it is equal to A. It is equal to A. After some time, what will happen? This pulse will reach here. It will reach here. You see in the diagram. कुछ टाइम बाद ये पल्स जो है अब वो यहां पर पहुंच जाएगी. कितनी डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कर लेगी? सपोज इट हैड ट्रेवल्ड this distance. Now this particle which is situated at the position x equals to x by this distance by a. मतलब जो पार्टिकल यहाँ पर सिचुएटेड है वो कितना डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा? a डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा. मतलब इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट वही होगा एट दैट मोमेंट जो इसका था किस टाइम पर t equals to 0. It's clear? Suppose the wave is traveling reaching here at the time t. If we assume the wave is reaching here at the time t, then how will you write its displacement? Y x equals to x at time t equals to t. Means the displacement of the particle at the position x at time t. Simply we write it as it is equal to A. It's clear? Now see here. Here you can see that the displacement of this particle. Suppose it is reaching in how much time from here to here? How much time pulse will take in reaching from here to here? T equals to x upon t. पल्स को यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँचने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? x upon v. Because the distance is x traveling with the speed v, so x upon v. मतलब इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट एट टाइम t वही होगा जो इस पार्टिकल का होगा कितने टाइम पहले? इस पार्टिकल का डिस्प्लेसमेंट टाइम t पर वही होगा जो इस वाले पार्टिकल का होगा एट हाउ मच टाइम बिफोर? x upon v टाइम बिफोर. इट्स क्लियर? जिस मोमेंट पर वेव यहां पहुंची है उसके x upon v टाइम पहले जो इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो. मीन्स हाउ विल यू राइट दिस? यू कैन राइट इट एज y x t. इट इज इक्वल टू y0. इट इज x t minus x upon v. t minus x upon v. It's clear? Means the displacement of the particle situated at the position x at time t will be same as the displacement of the particle situated at the leftmost position. Leftmost position means x equals to 0 at time t minus x upon v. Now one more thing. If you see here particles are executing up and down motion. They are doing up and down motion. Means suppose wave is traveling in this direction, this is the particle, it is going up, down. It is doing SHM, simple harmonic motion. What type of motion is performed? It is performing SHM. It's clear? So you can see here, what will be the equation of SHM? Equation of SHM you know, it is y equals to a sin omega t. But here you have seen that the displacement of this particle is the function of this. It is the function of t माइनस एक्स अपॉन बी, मतलब यहां पर टाइम के प्लेस पर क्या लेंगे, t माइनस एक्स अपॉन बी. सो यू कैन सी हियर व्हाट विल बी द displacement of x comma t. It means displacement of the particle situated at the position x at time t. It will be equal to a sin omega into t minus x upon. It will be equal to a sin omega t minus x upon v. This is the displacement equation of particle executing a section. Simply we write this. Now, but you remember this. This is the displacement of which particle? Which is situated at the position x. At what time? At the time t. It's clear. Now we can write this equation in the number of forms. So see here. What are the other ways in which it can be written? Omega equals to 2 pi upon capital T. So y equals to a sin 2 pi by capital T. T minus x upon. When you will simplify, so it will be equal to y equals to a sin 2, this is 2 pi, this capital T you take inside, t upon t minus x upon vt. This is one form, clear, keep in box. Now what is vt? Vt equals to v into 1 upon n, that is v upon n, and v upon n is what? Lambda. So it is equal to y equals to a sin 2 pi t by t minus x by lambda. This is the another form of plane progressive wave. Now it can be written in one more form. You can see here. This is y equals to a sin omega, you take out inside omega t minus omega into x upon v. It's clear. Now omega upon v, this is called t. This we call as wave number. Its unit is, what is its unit? Unit is per meter. Per meter. It's clear. In other form, it can be written as 2 pi n divided by v. And n upon v is what? V upon n is lambda. So n upon v is reciprocal of lambda. Means 2 pi by lambda. This you place inside the box. So in place of omega upon v, we can write k, or we can write 2 pi by lambda. So I am writing k here. When you will write, so y equals to a sin, this is omega t minus kx. Minus kx. These are the equations of plane progressive wave. Displacement equations of plane progressive wave traveling in a medium. And displacement equation means what will be the displacement of the particle situated at position x equals to x at time t. Now one more thing. If you see what will be the displacement of the particle at any instant, what is the factor on which the displacement of particle at any instant will depend. So it depends on this thing, which is associated with sign. It's clear. It is called the phase of the particle. The term which is associated with the sign is called the phase of the particle. and phase of the particle we represent by the symbol phi. Phase of the particle. So phi equals to, this is 2 pi t by t minus x by lambda. We can write it as phi x comma t. Phase of the particle situated at this position at time t. What will be the phase? Phase means displacement from the mean position as well as the direction of motion. So these are the plane progressive view, equations of plane progressive view. Now the remaining part we will do in the next class. Thank you.